So for this next sequence, we will start at the same place. When she spots the smoke over here and says Ben, we will take the dialogue up to deploy shelters, and people start taking their packs off. You know, I might let it go as far as you take this out of your pack and throw packs downhill.
Deep breath.
Who's coming up?
Stop. How many people stay in those? It's usually one. Move.
Thank you so much, everybody.
I read the wind wrong. I should have gone to them.
Then you'd be dead too.
That's our job. You in trouble? Are you someone I can trust?
We promise absolutes. Act accordingly.
You can run on for a long time.
Listen,
Run on
you're gonna run,
for a long
and you're gonna keep running. That eats everything in its path.
You really want to die for this kid?
Take a deep breath. Hold it. And lay back.
What happens next? Look it right in the eye.
God's gonna cut you down.